How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner. For the new, thank you guys for tuning in. Got my brother Sebastian over here. We're gonna be talking about, we're gonna call it the version number 2, but it's actually a custom made wide body kit for the Camry. This is something that I had in mind for quite a while now. The reason why I didn't go through is just because, honestly, just time. Money wise, I got a shop. I had a shop actually, not anymore, with that I was willing to work with, and they were willing to work with me, trying to make this happen. But life happens, didn't happen. So it was risky because, as I mentioned before in my previous video, it was about pretty much buying the Lexus IS wide body kit and then molding it into the Camry. So it's not for the Camry, it was just gonna be custom made for the Camry. Now I seen some pictures from this, it was from the Camry Club on Instagram. I tried to find the source, see if to find the owner of that Camry, because I believe it's not even an SE or an XC, it's actually an LE, and I couldn't find it. I tried, I searched, and I mean even on Google, and nothing came out. Now this one's really cool. I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple pictures that I found, and then pretty much discuss with you guys what do you guys think about, if you guys will go for, and yeah. And yes, I got my Fuel Fest hat, guys. We just came back from Fuel Fest. What do you think, bro?
It was good. It's not about the weather, man.
The weather. Stay tuned for that video, guys. We are gonna be editing this video, the Fuel Fest video, and uploading it. Hopefully, I'm guessing by next week, guys. It's gonna be a busy week. It's my wife's birthday coming up, so it's gonna be a busy week. Definitely, I'll try to make time, but I highly doubt it. It might take a couple days, guys. Anywho's, down to the video now.
Heart on fire, set my heart
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna be showing you a couple pictures and kind of discussing pretty much what he did, and then pretty much the kit that I found, according to not just to the shop but also a friend of mine that actually modifies wide bodies told me that it could fit, but it would be risky, especially because once you buy it, since mostly that it's not from here, it's not here from the States, unless you buy it from someone that's putting the car back to stock, which that'll be crazy because once you put wide body, I mean, you already cut the fenders and everything. So pretty much everything comes from China, plus shipping and everything. So I mean, returning that, we are paying the butt pretty much. So it's kind of risky. This is for the people that are willing to take the risk. Mine's a daily driven and a family car as well, so I can't take that risk anymore. But I mean, I have fenders back on my first Camry, so I mean, I went all out. Pretty much regret it, honestly. That's the reason why I traded the car in for an XSC. But anyways, guys, we'll get down to business. We'll show you guys the pictures and see what you guys like. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, guys, with everybody. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. I don't know if I said this on the earlier, but let's get down to the video, guys, and discuss a little bit about this. Alright, guys, so in this first picture you can see the wide body on the front and rear fender lines. The reason why I say that it was custom made is just because there's a line on the fender there that doesn't go with the body line of the Camry. The rear has the airflow vent right there. I'm not saying it looks bad, it actually looks really clean. Definitely a clean job. I wish I could see it in person, but I'm guessing it wasn't made here in the States. Maybe Japan, maybe even Russia, since they've been working a lot on the front and back bumpers, you know, the con kit. All I can say is that whoever did this definitely had the time, and also, I mean, they invested, you know, definitely, you know, took the big risk, that big gap that maybe some of us don't really want to take. I don't want to say it's a Lexus white body kit, but here we got a little close up on the rear. The rear looks definitely like a Lexus. I want to say like the IS, maybe 2012. third generation. That's kind of what I'm seeing. No side skirts to go with the wide body kit, so it's definitely custom made. Let's see, guys. I mean, it's not bad until it's lower on coilovers or even stock springs. What's your opinion on this, brother? What do you think?
I mean, even if it is custom made, whoever made it did a pretty good job. You know, it makes it look the Camry or whatever car it is more aggressive, a little bit more wider.
It's a Camry, brother. You know, it's a Camry, whatever car. Um, yeah, definitely this it does make it look wider, more aggressive. Um, and yeah, in the crazy part that it's not an SE, it's not an XSE, it's actually an LE. Here we're gonna show you guys what I found on eBay, a similar kit that was, I believe this one was $1,000 plus shipping, like 600, I believe, everything front and back. This one is what reminds me of what I'm seeing there, on the Camry. What do you think, bro? This one looks similar from what the Camry has. This is Alexa. This is the one from eBay. They're selling this kit.
It looks kind of similar.
But what I'm thinking is they bought the eBay kit and then they put it on the Camry. They custom made it to the Camry. So they took that risk of buying a kit and then just getting custom made, which makes sense. That was the only way how to wide body the Camry. Definitely just get the IS, which is a similar body type to the Camry. Obviously the body lines are different, but similar body lines to the Camry. So this is an eBay kit. I know there's a lot more there. There's one that actually has the side skirts, fenders, and also a spoiler. So it has all of that pretty much in the kit. But I believe it was around $4,000 to $5,000 plus shipping. Crazy. Here we got the front, and actually now that I see the front up close, actually that body line goes with the. I mean, I'm sorry, the fender line, the wide body fender line actually goes with the body line of the Camry. I take that back what I said. And this is actually crazy now. Now it kind of makes me want to think they get a custom made um to make it go with, to go with the flow of the line. Cause what I see on the headlight there, it's not going around the headlight. That's what kind of makes me think that it was custom made and it's not a proper kit for the Camry. Cause usually it goes around the headlight pretty much. It holds on to the whole fender. But some kits are different too as well. But definitely a clean job. I mean, there's nothing negative to say about this unless people just hate wide body and then are just gonna see a lot of negatives on this. Definitely once you go wide body, no more drive-throughs. Guys, it's really hard. On the rear there, you can see it goes with the body line. It's insane. I see that the fuselage is a bit different. He made it tilted there. Um the tips, he made it sporty. That's for sure. That spoiler is definitely something different. Haven't seen that spoiler. Obviously the tail lights there. Are high reps or eBay whatever, but it is something modified, but definitely makes the car looks more aggressive. Uh, Wish I knew who the person was so I can talk to him, see how they made this happen. Because I would definitely like to work something out. Something already. I guess somebody already took this step and then kind of like go from there and see what we could do. Alright, fam. So there you have it. I think definitely it looks aggressive. Right, bro?
Yeah.
Makes the car looks wide. Definitely. Though that's a kit that's like kind of like the Rocket Bunny kit, pretty much for the A6 for the Lexus. Makes the car look wide, aggressive. It goes with the body line. There's people that actually did cut the original fender. Obviously, you have to, and then with the body kit, or they mold the wide body kit into the body, and then pretty much have to repaint and everything, do all the extra work. But it looks good too. I wish I could find who that person was who made this, just because honestly, if he already has the parts already, I guess you can say, molded to the Camry type, to the Camry body style, then I guess we can just make more parts from there and try to make it. But Jofer Designs is actually making a wide body kit already, and it's already in production. So it should be done by, I believe they said August for sale. So I mean, that one still looks clean. From what I see on the pictures, it kind of works with the stock body kit. So in my case, I have the con bumper, and thank God I didn't sell my XSC bumper yet. So if for whatever reason I decide to go through them, then I have to use the stock bumper. From what I'm seeing, they haven't told me anything, but from what I see from that lip kit that's is showing, I might have to. But going back to this body kit, guys, it's definitely a Lexus IS. Like I believe and I know, like I can at least say 90% sure that it is a Lexus IS body kit. Um, I really would like to know, maybe if I find out who this person is, or if you guys know who this person is, tag him. Or if you're watching this video, go ahead and message me. I want to see if there's any wing noise, if there's any, because once you start modifying these kind of things, you kind of mess around with the aerodynamics of the car. So I mean, some proper body kits are made for the car, so it doesn't damage as much, or just goes with the flow. So, but I really would like to know if there's any wing noise, all those things. It's questions that a lot of people want to know about this, and it's more questions than answers. Hopefully with the Jover design that's coming out soon, maybe we'll have a little hope. Because I believe from there, since it comes out, and I guess from there we can probably make it a little bit more wider, work with the design if you want to go more wider, or if it looks good as it is, then just leave it like that. But definitely for people that like wide body kits, this is the way to go. And what do you think, bro? Go wide or stay stock?
It depends, because if it's the little details that count, man, especially in a car, dude.
But in my car, for example, should I just stay stock or just try to go wide body? What do you think?
Depends on what you think will make it look better, man.
No, he's 14, and that answer is a proper answer, guys. Even though he's my brother, he knows that he can tell me, his opinion with no judge. But this is kind of what I tell you guys every time. It's all up to you how you guys want to design your car. If you guys want to go fully on wide body, bolt in the wide body, just put some fender flares. It's up to you guys. Always design and build based on what you guys would like, you guys want, because you guys need to keep this in mind. You guys, and only you guys are gonna be driving the car every day, all day. So it's gonna represent you. It's gonna be pretty much your hard work. So keep that in mind, guys. So yeah, I think that'll be pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Anything you would like to add on, brother?
No, I don't think so.
All good?
I don't think so, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, guys, we're gonna hit bed. It's been a long day, Fuel Fest. Gotta go to work tomorrow. Yes, I do have not an 8-hour day. I got a 10-hour day, guys. So yes. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, guys, for anybody that needs it, anybody that wants it, anybody that pretty much enjoys Camry videos. So far, guys, we're gonna be having a couple more things coming up. So you got the review on the wheels that I should be doing pretty soon, guys, and a lot of things that I still plan on doing. Fuel Fest. Definitely it's a video that you guys would like to see, enjoy, because it's a lot of crazy content, bro.
It was a big thing.
Yeah, definitely. You guys will enjoy that video, like, hands down. Anywho's, guys, remember, it's not just about the car.
Just stay sexy.
Till next time.